Hey guys, and how's it going? In this video we will be talking about how to contact Google support live chat. So without a further ado, let's just get started. So the first thing is that onto any browser of your choice you're going to be typing support.google.com, and once you are on that particular site you can see we are on Google Help section, and from here we can see all of the Google products are listed in here. So let's just assume that we are having an issue with Google Chrome or maybe YouTube. So you're simply going to be selecting on that particular product or application that you are having an issue with, and once you select that product, what you need to do is simply um, scroll a little bit down, and you can see we have this option of need more help. You can add the post to help community. We do not want that. We can if we want to contact Google, so we are going to be simply clicking on contact us, and once you're there you can see we have three set of questions. So the first one is what can we help with, and after that we have resources, and then we have contact options. So we are going to be simply clicking um, typing entering in here the type of help we want, like for example membership. Click on that, and here you need to simply enter your issue, tell us what we can help you with. Maybe uh, we have some issues. Simply click on next, and now just select any option that suits the best for your issue, and then click on next step. And you can see we have all these options going on, the article stuff that these are obviously recommended by Google. Click on next, and now you can see we have this option of get a call, chat, and email. So yeah, you can also say you see the wait time that we have. So to get a call we have a wait time for um, around more than 1 minute, and you can see similarly for chat, and we have email. So you can simply um, contact Google Live Support with this option. So this is a really great and helpful feature. So I really hope you found this tutorial helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to comment down below what else you want to see upcoming next onto our channel, and have a really nice day. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.